Step 1. Measure the width of empty basin. Step 2. Fill the basin with sand sample. Step 3. Oven dry the sample. Allow it cool and measure its weight to 500 grams. Step 4. Arrange the test sieve with the following aperture size: 10 mm, 6 mm, 1 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.15 mm, and 0.063 mm. Step 5. Measure the empty stacked sieve according to the size. Step 6. A pan is attached at the bottom of the sieve stack. The sample is poured onto the top sieve. The cover plate is added to prevent dust and loss of particles during shaking. Step 7. The stack of sieve is placed in the mechanical shaker and shaken for about 10 minutes or until further shaking does not result in significant changes in the amount of material retained in each sieve. Step 8. The stack of sieve is removed from the shaker. Starting with the top sieve, the contents are transferred to a piece of paper or a larger container. The sieve is carefully emptied without any losing material, and a brush is used to remove grains stuck in its mesh opening. The weight of soil retention is in each sieve is measured, and the corresponding sieve mesh opening and number are noted. Step 9 is repeated for each sieve. As a preliminary check, the weight retained on all the sieves and the bottom pan are added, and their sum is compared to the initial sample weight. Both weights should be within about 1%. If the difference is greater than 1%, it indicates that too much material was lost, and weighing or sieving should be repeated.
For next is unconfined compression test (UCT). For procedure, first, measure the initial length and diameter of the soil specimen. Second, place the specimen on the base plate of the load frame sandwiched between the end plates. Third, place the hardened steel ball on the bearing plate. Adjust the center line of the specimen so that the proof ring and the steel ball are aligned. Next, set a dial gauge to measure the vertical compression of the specimen. Number 5. Adjust gear position on load frame to provide appropriate vertical displacement. 6. Set the proof ring reading and dial gauge to 0. 7. As the load is applied, record the proof ring dial and strain dial readings for each 0.2 mm vertical compression. 8. Continue load until failure occur or 20% vertical deformation is reached. Compression for 38 mm diameter specimens. Lastly, sketch the failure pattern and the angle between the crack and the horizontal if possible. Thank you.